and off.
Oh, he's in the back.
Okay, we've got a car on the wall.
I hit the wall.
Copy, Max.
Okay, so we've got a car on the wall at turn 12, so he's got plenty of time to reverse out. I think we get him to the grid.
Suspension's broken. He's got a broken left front track rod.
Drive to the grid.
Max is in the barriers at turn 12. I think we've got suspension damage.
I'm bringing it back to the pits, I hope.
Max, look out. Got a Haas behind you. Haas behind you.
Should we get it to the grid and try to fix it there?
If you can.
Okay, well, it's suspension, everything.
Okay guys, so we're going to go to the grid with Max and try to fix it there, otherwise we're committing to a pit lane start.
And I hear that Max has actually crashed. This is massive. This is where the start of the race is going to be critical. Is it dry enough yet? From that, I would say it's not dry enough yet to start on the slick tyre.
Right, do we overload the push rod, please?
Negative on the push rod. We have done the track rod, but I think on the video footage it looked like the push rod had gone.
Paul, on garage, have we got another nose at the correct specification?
Yes.
Okie dokie.
Might be able to do the push rod, might be able to do the track rod, but the rest of it, forget it.
Hello, is anyone on garage? Rich, pedals?
I'm on garage.
I'm on my way.
Then we need to do nose assembly as well. Right, track rod, push rod.
Wasn't a big hit.
There, left-hand track rod. That's it so far. So it gets a track rod and a push rod.
Phil, do you have an ETA for changing those items?
Probably longer than what we got, but we'll give it a go.
Yeah.
We'd have to have done it faster than we've ever done it. We'd have to do it faster than we've ever done it before.
If anyone can see Ollie, get him to get his kit together. I'm sure he is already, but...
I've told Iggy from the FIA what we're doing.
20 minutes to go, pit lane is now closed.
Oh, there we go. Look, there's the car being pushed into his grid slot behind me there without his front wing. You can just about see his mechanic starting to put him into his place.
Can we get the spare front wing down?
Okay, I'm going to do this on 33 inch. We have procedures for requesting stuff backwards and forward. I think most of them are being followed. Just in case it's getting confused, we do need to get the spare front wing to the grid position.
Copy. The front nose is on its way.
4 minutes away, 3 minutes maybe.
We've got push rod, track rod and POE bracket on their way.
Will Max Verstappen even get past the end of the first lap here? It's going to be an absolute thriller, I think.
Yeah, here we go. Get the nose on. Can we have a nose key, please? Sorry, just give me a second. It's chaos.
Yeah.
We've got the front wing now, Jonathan, so that's going on.
Well,
let's
let's focus on just getting some information to me. I need to know how long those bits will take to change. Just under 17 minutes to go. National Anthem starts in just under 1 minute. Okay, Rich or Phil on garage, just need to know your ETA on having that car repaired.
I'm back at car 23 now, but we believed it was about a 10-minute job. 10 to 12.
Yeah, we're well into it.
Alright, Phil, have you got the presence of mind to be able to talk to me on garage?
Just give me a minute. A lot going on. We are pretty much got everything off. We're just about to start fitting the
I
new
have
stuff.
a more pertinent question. At what point do we abandon this so that we comfortably get the car off the grid before do we need 4 minutes to clear that car off the grid?
Yeah, about that.
Okay. Then you know your deadline. So Phil on garage, is that all nice and ordered down there? It looks pretty calm to me.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Can you just give me a countdown where we're at, please?
It's 11:30 at the moment.
I think we're going to be alright.
On main at the moment, it sounds like the car will be fixed on the grid. We've made a decision, we'll pull it off the grid with 4 minutes to go, if not.
Greg, you let me know when you want Max in the car.
Just Status report, car 33.
Yeah, track rod's on, push rod's about to go on. I think we're not far off, to be honest, Jonathan.
Okay, so you've got 9.5 minutes remaining.
Greg, if you let Lee know when those tyres are ready, I think they'd like to put these tyres on ASAP.
8 minutes to go. 8 minutes.
Okay, boys, the tyres go on, please. GP, can you radio check max, please?
Radio check, Max.
Radio check.
Loud and clear.
And all eyes on Max Verstappen's Red Bull.
Great coordination there on the front of his car.
Okay, boys, can we start loading up the grid trolley, please? 1 minute to put this wheel on.
Phil, status update, car 33.
Yeah, just put the drum on, just about to put the wheel on.
Okay.
Wheel on, lads. Wheel on.
30 seconds until wheels need to be fully fitted.
Still over 20 seconds, plenty of time. Nice one.
GP confirm all 4 wheels fitted.
Yeah, we're done, Jonathan.
Thank you, guys.
Okay. I just want to say incredible work, guys. That's unbelievable. Thank you very much.
And it's lights out and away we go. And Max Verstappen goes round the outside looking for third place and into third place. It's the mistake turned into a podium.
Hey, done it, Max. Done it, mate. P2. Absolutely wrung up every ounce of pace out of there, mate. Class of your own aside from the Mercs. Can't say anything more. Well done.
Yes, guys, what a result, what a result. I want to say a big thank you to the mechanics because they saved the day. You guys are legends. Thank you so much.
Yeah, well done, Max. You summed it up perfectly there. The lads did an amazing job for you today. So, and you paid them back beautifully. So well done. Great job.